Is your laptop slow, freezing, or taking forever to boot up? Don't toss it just yet. With a few smart tweaks, you can bring it back to life. In this video, we'll show you how to make your old laptop run like new again, step by step. These methods work whether you're on Windows, macOS, or even Linux, and best of all, most are completely free. First, tackle the biggest slowdown culprit: too many startup programs. When your laptop boots, dozens of apps may launch automatically, even ones you don't need. Open Task Manager on Windows or System Settings on Mac and disable unnecessary startup items. You'll instantly shave seconds off your startup time. Next, remove bloatware, those pre-installed or forgotten apps eating up memory and disk space. Go through your installed programs and uninstall anything you don't use. Use free tools like CCleaner or BleachBit to remove leftover files and temporary clutter. Even after cleanup, background tasks can slow your system. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and check what's using your CPU and memory. If something's hogging resources, like a browser with 30 tabs, close it or limit its background activity. Here's a game changer: upgrade your hard drive to an SSD. If your laptop still runs on a spinning hard disk, replacing it with a solid-state drive can make it up to 5 times faster. It's the single best upgrade for an old machine. If your laptop struggles to multitask or runs out of memory quickly, consider adding more RAM. Going from 4GB to 8GB or 16GB can make a huge difference, especially for browsers, editing tools, or coding environments. Don't forget the hardware side. Dust buildup can cause overheating, making your CPU throttle and slow down. Use compressed air to clean the vents and fans. A cooler laptop runs quieter and faster. Outdated software can cause instability and security issues. Update your operating system, graphics drivers, and essential apps. New updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes you don't want to miss. Browsers are memory hogs. Reduce the number of active extensions, clear your cache, and limit open tabs. If you're using Chrome, try switching to lighter browsers like Edge, Brave, or Opera GX for better performance on old hardware. If you've tried everything and your laptop's still slow, consider a fresh start. Reset Windows or install a lightweight Linux distro like Zorin OS or Ubuntu Lite. These are optimized for older machines and can make them feel brand new again. And that's it. Simple steps to make your old laptop run like new again. Before you buy a new one, try these upgrades and optimizations first. You might be surprised how much life is left in your device. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.